Panasonic's inverter dryer provides flexible drying with gentle dry and speed mode. Thanks to inverter technology, it's possible to control the power and adjust the drying temperature. Conventional heat pump dryers can't change the drying temperature. But an inverter dryer can change the drying temperature from low with gentle dry to very high with speed mode. Gentle dry is ideal for drying delicate fabrics. Now you can even dry delicate items. Whatever your laundry needs, Panasonic delivers excellent drying results. With high temperature speed mode, you can dry faster than before. That's thanks to the maximum power delivered by the inverter. It takes just 2 hours, so now you can save more than 25 minutes of your busy time. It's one of the fastest in the 8-kilogram heat pump dryer category. A new level of drying freedom and quality. Panasonic Inverter Heat Pump Tumble Dryer.